This is the Vf2 98 with the 10K spindle. Trying to give you some look. Here's the carousel body. And I'll show you the top view of what that looks like. So it basically, that's the big beam that that holds it up. So that beam would have to come bring the whole assembly down, so you'd unbolt that, make a little clearance, and mount her back up. So I'm going to come around the side. So this is the back side. This is the beam. I'll step back a little bit for some perspective. So again, you're looking at the side of the machine. You can see the head up there. So the thing that's blocking the way when this beam comes down, the only thing that's in the way, well, there are two things. One is the sheet metal right here, which is sheet metal. So that'll need to be just cleared, plasma or torch or whatever, or cut however you want to cut it, grinder. And then this is the nitrogen charge unit, the tank. There's really what's in there. So this is bolted on. You can see there's a couple bolts that are slotted on either side. So that would come off and just it looks like drop it down. You probably want to drop it down and bring it out this way, because there's a little angle here that's going to catch on that corner. So that would be the first couple things, I guess, would be to go ahead and just get this. There's only really one line that comes out of it. So to get this off and just lay it down, and then remove this assembly. So right here is how the carousel bolts onto the casting. So you can see the casting has those two flanges that come out of it. And then what's happening is behind this, there's a cover right here that behind that, this whole head is bolting to that flange. You can see the light up through there. So once that's off, it's really just about dealing with the hole pattern of getting this side piece to mount it lower, and then remount the nitrogen cylinder, counterbalanced cylinder lower. There's a Z-axis motor and the cable carrier. So with the head all the way down, Z-axis motor and cable carrier come off, and then the other high point here in the back, and you can decide if you want to pull that afterwards. That's the regen resistor. So that comes off easily, the box with the grates on it. This other box with the cable carrier is where some of the cables pick up. That's where the cable's running up into the head. So you want to be careful with that, but the box, I don't think that'll be in the way with your height, but at least you know what you're working with. So that's a start. Let me know what else we need to do to get this done and get her moving. Thank you.